All right, to create a new Gmail account using a laptop, these are the steps. If you're using mobile, you can still follow along, okay? The first step is to launch a web browser that you want to use for this. Today, I'll be using Firefox to do this. So I'll click on Firefox browser. Visit gmail.com. So I have typed the web link gmail.com here. So I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard for it to load. So do the same from your end. All right. The Gmail website has opened and we have this interface. Okay. We have for work, we have sign in, we have create an account. We still have similar stuff here. So whether you click on this place down here or you click up here, it will take us to the next page. So let's go with this. Now, two options are displayed here for my personal use and for my work or business. I think this place will be good for my personal use. So let me select this option. But you know what you want to use the Gmail for. So based on that, make your selection, okay? All right, on this new page, it's telling us to fill our first name and our last name. But the last name is optional. So fill that and then click on next. All right, on this new page, it's telling us to select date of birth. You can place your real date of birth here or you can use any date of birth. All right, because you can change it at any point in time, even after account creation. Okay, so let me insert mine here and then click on next for us to proceed. So this is the date of birth I chose for myself. Then here I will select gender. I'm a male in this case. And then after that, hit the next button. Okay, here is saying I should choose any of these email addresses, either the first one or the second one based on the name I filled. But I don't want to go with any of these. So I want to create my own Gmail address. So I will go with this option and then I will insert what I want to bear in this case. All right, I'm done filling the name I want to bear. This at gmail.com is assigned automatically. So click on next. Okay, here you can see it's telling us to insert a password. Please insert a password of your choice, which you can write down somewhere so that you will remember it so easily. Okay, so after filling that, click on next. All right, Google has password manager. It's telling me whether I want them to help me manage this password by saving it. I will say save. Okay, then here is requesting my phone number. So fill your phone number and then click on next. Okay, one time password will be sent to that phone number you filled. So put it inside this place. So insert it here. So let me insert mine, okay? After that, click on next. On this new page, you are asked for recovery email address. If you want to add, you add. If you don't want to add, you leave it. But in this case, let me add mine. Note, this recovery email address can be Gmail, it can be Outlook, it can be Yahoo Mail, or any email service at all. So let me hit next. Now it says review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. All right, this is the email address. I'm good with it. Then I'll click on next. And here it wants me to agree with the terms and condition of Google, which is okay. Then click on I agree. All right, and here this Gmail account has been successfully created. With time, they will send me Google will send email to me welcoming me to their email, okay, to their service. If you want to see your email address, just click on your icon at the top right, okay? You will see the email address that you just created. You can see where my cursor is. So click on that icon there at the top right. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, basic tech. So subscribe to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time.